Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video it's going to be a PR unboxing slash day in my life vlog. So time check, today is I think today's Saturday and it's around 8 a.m. I just woke up, and you guys, just a quick update if you are interested. I'm suffering from a severe stiff neck slash back pain, you guys. Like yesterday I was working, and if you guys feel like working with a broken heart is the hardest thing in the world. Say that again, if you guys have experience working with a severe back pain. Like I was like crying yesterday while counting the ATMs, and like so, and just super duper tired. So let us drink coffee first before we unbox my PR packages. While you guys are watching this video, I just hope you guys are doing well, you guys are relaxing, and I hope that hindi ko ma-waste yung time nyo for watching this video. So let's get on to so I'm just gonna wash my face. And so right now I'm using this cleanser from Ogana Cell. I've been using this cleanser for a week, and so far I've been loving this cleanser. It has high concentration of peptides which can stimulate collagen on your face. It's going to make your skin feel youthful, and it has anti-aging benefits, it has anti-wrinkles, and it has niacinamide. When I use this cleanser, it retains the moisture on my skin. It doesn't have that tight feeling after using this one. I also love the smell of this cleanser. It smells so clean, it smells so fresh, and if there's one thing that I don't like about this one is that it has walnut scrub. So as you guys can see, there's like walnut scrub, so this might irritate your face, but I really hate physically exfoliating my face. So every time I use this cleanser, I just gently like massage it. So since yung cleanser is sponsored by Manila influencers, they gave it to me. They also gave me a free cleanser sponge, facial sponge. So this sponge is super duper gentle, and na-remove na talaga yung mga makeups ko, sis. So ayan, I just put a little. It smells so good. Hello everyone, so right now let us apply skincare after cleansing. So since I'm just gonna stay here at home, I'm gonna use my peptide recovery cream. So this one is given to me by Manila influencers again. So what I love about this cream is that the smell itself is super duper mild, and the texture, I think it has that parang lip balm matte finish texture. I can't really explain it, but I really love the texture. A little goes a long way. Ingredient itself, it has a strong anti-aging ingredient. It has alatonin, it has ceramide, it has centella asiatica, it has medicassicide. So aside from the anti-aging benefits that it gives on your skin, it also brightens up your skin. I think this product is perfect to those who have sensitive skin and dry skin. And this one also is not approved by EWG. However, it has passed the skin irritation test in Korea, so which means that also pregnant women can use this one. I love this product. I think I'm going to include this product sa aking mga holy grails because I've really seen a huge changes. Hindi naman talaga huge, big change sa aking face, but na-minimize niya yung mga little bumps on my face. As you guys can see, I have pimple right here, pero nawala na siya, na-fade na siya. And if there's one thing that I don't like about this product is that it has a fragrance. Yes, may siyang fragrance included sa kanyang ingredient list, but if you guys are going to smell it, sobrang mild lang talaga na smell niya. And as you guys know, yung fragrance, it can, you know, really damage your skin in the future. So I think this product is fine if you guys are not going to use it on a daily basis. So if you guys are breaking out, I can definitely recommend this product aside from Elica. But if not, you guys can use a good moisturizer na lang. So right now, since I still have small breakouts on my face, I'm going to apply just a little. See? I've read a lot of good reviews nitong product na to sa Amazon. So, I'm not really scared to try out this product, especially because pwede siya for dry skin and sensitive skin. So, you guys, I really have a hypersensitive skin. So, if hindi nagre-react yung face ko, I'm sure hindi rin magre-react yung face niya kasi grabe ka sensitive gid sa akong skin. So, I'm not gonna put any makeup on my face. I'm so sorry because I'm not really in the mood because I'm having like severe back pain. So, hello everyone! So, tapos na ako mag-drink ng coffee and hindi ko na film kasi, you know guys, I love you all. So, I don't want to waste your time. So, ito yung mga PR packages na na-receive ko for this weekend. Let us unbox them. Starting from the little one. Ito. Okay. So, I think this one is from Wish Trend. And I think ito yung product nila na rice sleeping mask, I think. I've read so many good reviews about that product. It's perfect for all skin types, especially to those who have dry skin. It brightens up your face. It moisturizes your face. Ako kasi medyo sensitive ako sa mga vitamin C and high percentage of niacinamide. So, yung rice kasi is, it has parang nakakapag-brighten talaga yung rice sa face. So, yun yung nabasa ko, okay. So, they sent me this product and yung brand na I'm from, I really love this brand. I bought yung mugwort mask nila and it really does wonders on my face. It's part of my holy grail products and it just repairs your skin, it brightens up your skin, it soothes irritated skin. So I really cannot wait to try out this product kasi I just love yung brand mismo, yung brand na I'm from. I love the brand and talaga nagko-concentrate talaga sila sa pag-formulate ng kanilang mga products, yung hindi nila minamadali lahat and yung mga ingredients na ginamit nila, alam niyo yung pinag-isipan talaga nila ng mabuti and yung packaging nila, it's super sustainable, mare-reuse natin siya. So I just gonna give you guys a quick peek on this product. Please do follow me on my Instagram account para malaman niyo yung aking overall reviews about this product. So, ito yung rice cream. I'm from next is ito. Makeup na naman tayo, sis. I think this one is from Sister Anne. I think yung Sister Anne brand is originated sa China best. So yung thank you so much, oh my gosh, Sister Anne, for sending me this. Oh my gosh, ang dami, sis. Like literally ang dami. Oh my gosh, you guys. Haha, ang dami. So please watch out for my YouTube vlog about Sister Anne products. So they sent me their Mode Fit Serum Tint Smoky Berry. Ito yung itsura ng kanilang product. I love how classy yung packaging nila. And parang wala siyang smell. It has may konting smell. And it smells parang kind of sweet. And I love the product. Parang siyang water tint something. Again, I've read so many good reviews about Sister Anne. So thank you so much, Sister Anne. You're so generous and can't wait to try out your products. They gave me 6 shades. And they also gave me tatlong double effect waterproof eye pencil. Yung eye pencil nila yung favorite ko kasi tagal niya mag-fade sa inyong eyelids if you are going to apply it. Yan yung itsura ng kanilang eye pencil. It's very pigmented and it's waterproof. Ayan. And I love the tip of this pencil. Okay, you're going to twist it like that. Comes with 3 shades. Ayan, they sent me 3 shades sa kanilang eye pencil. I love this one. I can imagine na myself ano yung gagawin ko look on my face. Next, they sent me their Fresh Relief Sun Cream. Lastly, they sent me their Smart Fit Cover Cushion SPF 50. Ooh, ang ganda ng packaging. Wow. I'm a huge fan of cushion. If you guys are going to ask me kung ano yung favorite cushion ko, it would definitely yung Nuts cover cushion. And parang sobrang light lang sa feeling. Super lightweight, pero nakakover niya talaga lahat ng mga redness on your face. So I don't need to apply foundation on my face. Yun ang talagang na-apply ko. Ang lakas niya maka-fresh. Ganun sis. So, ano siya man eh? Uy, ano siya man? So, ayan siya. Let us open it. So, my dog, Henry. Thank you so much, Sister Anne. See? So, next, ito guys, itong package na to, I really don't know kung anong laman ito, sis. So, pero meron akong duda, sis. I feel like ito yung pinadala sa akin ng Veg Green. I'm not really quite sure, but we'll see. Okay, let's open it. I'm super duper happy sa lahat ng mga brands na nag-trust sa akin, who are super generous sa kanilang products. They sent me a lot of products. What is this? Naruco PH. What is this? Oh my gosh, hindi ko na maalala, sis. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. I remember. Oh my gosh. I think yung Naruco is a Japan brand. Naruco tea toner. They sent me a pressed powder. Oh my gosh. They sent me a night jelly na may hyaluronic acid. Kasi they know na I have a super dry skin. So, yung Naruco is a Japan skincare brand. And, yeah, meron silang tea tree line. And sabi ko sa kanila na I have a dry, sensitive skin, so please send me yung products na may tea tree that contains tea tree. So, I just love this one. This is Shine Control and Blemish Clear. I need this. So, thank you so much, Naruco, for sending me these products. I'm gonna let them know na na-receive ko na yung product. Next, let us unbox yung products from Celimax. It's a Korean skincare brand. Oh, thank you so much. Super cute. Thank you so much, Celimax, for sending me these amazing products. Unboxing. Oh my gosh. So they sent me their Derma Nature Fresh Blackhead Jojoba Cleansing Oil. They sent me their Derma Nature Relief Madesica pH Balancing Foam Cleansing. So ayan. Thank you for making us a part of your skincare. And they also sent me some freebies. Super cute. Thank you so much, Celimax. Oh my gosh, sobrang cute nito, sis. Noni toner. Last but not the least, I think alam ko na kung ano to, sis. Sobrang dami. Okay, so this is it. So ito yung sinan nila sa akin. They sent me, this one is from Paper Matte brand, and they sent me their limited edition Pack Candy Pop. I think this one is a ballpoint pen. So, ayan. It comes with a lot of colors. I think this one is like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 16. Also sent me a notebook. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, so cute. Ayan. Ito yung kilometry ko. Tada! Oh, may isang letter. With stickers. So, yung kilometry ko still writes up to 1 kilometer long. Yan yung pinaglalaban ng kilometry ko. So, yung ball pens nila, hantod 1 kilometer siya, sis. So, diba? They also gave me another notebook. So, dalawang notebooks na. And, super cute. Oh, yan. They also sent me this one. Wow, Prisma color. Super duper cute. What? Color. Ooh. 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 Wow. Wow, wow. So, thank you so much, Try PR and Kilometrico. Super kailangan ko talaga ng ballpen and notebook nowadays, especially because I'm super duper busy. Ang dami kong dapat gawin, mga reviews, mga deadlines. I'm going to write it down. And sometimes, medyo mahirap maghanap ng ballpen dito sa bahay. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and please abangan nyo yung aking mga reviews about these products on my Instagram account. Please do check my Instagram account, follow me on my Instagram account, and please do hit like if you have subscribed on this channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and if you haven't, please click the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!